One day, as I went to take the trash out, I caught sight of her. So I began inquiring with the neighbors. And they informed me that she had been out there for months. It became apparent that she had been regularly sleeping underneath my car. A large number of people were eager to feed her and gain her attention. However, she remained uninterested and unresponsive to their attempts. Well, I'll just go sit outside and observe her actions. She would still maintain a distance of about 10 feet from me. Her tail was between her legs all the time. She was terrified. I wasn't sleeping very well. I would just sit and think about her all the time. However, deep down, I understood that any attempt to apprehend her would only instill fear in her and cause her to flee. And then she would vanish forever. It was an incessant internal struggle. Will you join me, Luna? I glance over and notice Luna observing us intently. In that moment, my puppy enthusiastically chooses to engage in play. And suddenly, Luna begins hopping around catching my attention, and I couldn't help but think, oh my gosh, she wants to play with me. And she approached me for the first time. And you could just see the anxiety and the fear just melt right off of her. And it was just like she'd been waiting for that moment for so long. Deep down, I was honestly afraid that she did have a home. Luna just left a vet, and they did indeed look for a microchip. And she does not have one, so now she's officially mine. She's 100% my baby. When I finally felt at ease, I gently placed Charlie down. And she discovered that she could play with Charlie. She will always be my baby Luna. I love you forever.